metals, a beautiful Mendeleev's periodic table, a modern periodic table. You can see the wonderful chemistry, the elements involved in the periodic table and its predominant role in the history of chemistry. This is a S block elements, P block elements, D block elements, F block elements. Alkaline earth metals. The alkaline earth metals are 6 chemical elements in group 2 of the periodic table. They are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. The elements have very similar properties. They are all shiny, silvery white, somewhat reactive metal at standard temperature and pressure. Structurally, they have in common an outer s electron shell which is full, that is, this orbital contains its full complement of 2 electrons, which these elements readily leaves to form cations with charge +2 and an oxidation state of +2. All the discovered alkaline earth metals occur in nature. Experiments have been conducted to attempt the synthesis of element 120, the next potential member of the group, but they have all met with failure. Metals in the periodic table. The first group of the periodic table: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Rare earth metals. Group 3 is a group of elements in the periodic table. This group, like D block elements, should contain 4 elements, but it is not agreed what elements belong in the group. Scandium, yttrium are always included, but the other 2 spaces are usually occupied by lanthanum and actinium, or by lutetium and lawrencium. Less frequently, it is considered the group should be expanded to 32 elements with all lanthanides and actinides included, or contracted to contain only scandium and yttrium. When the group is understood to contain all of the lanthanides, its tribal name is rare earth metals, which occurs in the transition metals. Group 3 elements occur naturally: scandium, yttrium, either lanthanum or lutetium. Lanthanum contains the trend started by 2 lighter members in general chemical behavior, while lutetium behaves more similarly to yttrium. Group 3 is a group of elements in the periodic table, while the choice of lutetium would be accordance with the trend for period 6 transition metals to behave more similarly to their upper periodic table neighbors. The choice of lanthanum is in accordance with the trends in the S block, which the group 3 elements are chemically more similar. They all are silvery white metals. Under standard conditions of 4th element, either actinium or lawrencium, has only radioactive isotopes. Actinium, which occurs only in trace amounts, continues the trend in chemical behavior for metals that form tripositive ions with a noble gas configuration. Synthetic lawrencium is calculated and partially shown to be more similar to lutetium and yttrium. So far, no experiments have been conducted to synthesize any element that could be next group 3 element. Nbunium, which could be considered a group 3 element if proceeded by lanthanum and actinium, might be synthesized in a near future, it being only 3 spaces away from the current heaviest element known oganesson. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. For details, contact Veerabhadraya Demaya. Mobile 96638